Alright, this is the Fanuc Robodrill Alpha-T21iD, serial number P043UN473. It has the Fanuc 16i MB control, big plus tooling, coolant through spindle. It has the pallet changer, although we're not running it, and as you can tell, it's full enclosure, including a cap for the roof. Okay.
Yeah, pallet changer is up there though, but you're right, we don't have it running yet, but it is there just for the sake of the video. We can open up and kind of look around here a little bit. Kind of see in there.
Side doors off. Okay.
Side doors off for our video. So we can maybe see a little bit through here. It's a good
I
view.
see the side door. There it is, right there. Yep.
Hydraulics package coming down through here, and lubrication. Air, of course, goes with it, all for the tables, pallet changer. More of the air package down here for spindle blow off, tool change, and doors up and down, several items on here. Oh, we can show the panel, that's right. We're currently running here low voltage on this guy, 220. Now we're kind of temped in, but it's somewhat organized. We're not fully assembled, of course, so we got the pallet changer temped in down here, our 3-phase. But it's all good. The I/O board, PCB unit over here. Hey, what else? Of course, yeah, more air packaging here. A couple of regulators, and of course the pallet changer itself here. We left the covers off just so you kind of take a look down there. There's not much to look at other than the hydraulic unit and its control panel on the side, but that's the reason I left those covers off on the left, so you can kind of get a view in a second here. After you look at this, we can show what selector switches and stuff are on there. This is B pallet, A pallet sitting up on the table inside there. Like I said, down low you can kind of see the controls for it. That gets covered up when I put the cover on, and the rest of it up here. All the manual controls for the pallet changer. So that said, I do have to close the door for the sake of running some axes on the spindle. So we take a look through this door here a little bit. It's a good view off to the side. I'm just going to close it up. Maybe just start with spindle straight away. I have been warming it up for a few minutes, so maybe we go right up to spindle. I've got it programmed for maybe 14,000, I think, but I've got the override down pretty low down here, so we'll just kind of jump in low, turn it on in manual, and ramp it up as high as we want to go. So there's 83. I said we could kind of walk it down a little bit lower. 55. There's 10. Moving up. 15. 18.
That's good. That's full out, isn't it?
Good. Well, I mean, yeah, it's not going to let me go any farther than it wants to, for sure. I'm at 120%. Let me take it back down to 100. Yeah, I had it at 14,000. And stop go, maybe. At 14. Stop go at 16, maybe. I don't know if you want to get on the side over there or not, but I can shut it off and on a couple of times and kind of get a closer look at that thing down below.
Do it again now that the air compressor's off. Yep. That's 18,000.
That's my 14 at 100%.
Okay.
You want to keep playing or just let that go and we'll move some
I think we can move axes.
Spindle's move. Yeah, Spindle's in good shape. I'm just going to kind of jog it around again in manual. We can move X. You see it moving and then hit rapid. I'm in 25%. I'm on blocks. At 50 or 100, it wants to jump right off the blocks. This thing moves really fast. Maybe in X I can try it once because it's a longer travel. I won't do this in Z, but yes, it really wants to bounce off. At least you can kind of, and again, if you want to get on the other side there, it looks and sounds really good. I'll do X and Y, and I'll slow it down for Z. Here's X. Y a little bit. And I'm going to slow it down for Z, so I'm going to take it up. Maybe I can try. I'll try it once with 50% further. Not too bad. And bring it down a little bit. I over-traveled. See it. Hang on a second. Let me come. I gotta come down a little bit. There we go. I went too far. It moves really fast. So there's our 3 axes. Again, we're not doing a pallet change. We're back in, oh, that's right, index. So I can do a manual tool change here in jog, which is just one station here, from one number to the next. Oh no, wait, I have to get over here. There we go. Let's try that. Yep, Z goes up, parks itself, and 18 to 19, 19 to 20, whatever. And for a longer one, we've got, if you can see, there's a tool up in number 3 here. So I'm just going to get into MDI. I am in MDI. I'm going to call for number 3 and just go grab that one. And I should get it in program. That would help a lot. That always helps a lot. Much better. Yeah, I might even work at this point. There we go. Sure, and I'll go all the way around maybe to what's up there, number 12. Let's try it one more time in MDI. Go for T12. And again, I'm going to do just one more.
I'm going to go to the side. Can you do it one more time?
You want to do each single? Cartwheel around. So I'll do one cartwheel. I'll go back to that number 3 tool and we'll grab it.
Good.
There. So yeah, that's it. So we've got indexing. I mean, three axes are clean. Spindle's clean. We've got turret. The blow off works nice for the tool change. Am I missing anything? I don't know.
Just the coolant systems in the back room.
Yeah, and again, we can open up off the door. All the interlocks work nice. We get the alarm right away. So open that up. Yeah, we got a couple more things to put together. Some covers, the light, and we're good to go. Nice running machine.
All right. Thank you, Rod.
Mm-hmm.